Okay, now I'm going to share with you how I teach the classical jackknife. I see so many variations out there, and I'm not going to say one way is right and one way is wrong. This is how I was taught when I went through my teacher training program, and this is how I teach the trainees in my classical teacher training program, cross-white Pilates training. So I have one red and one green. That's one medium and one heavy. I also keep my loops fairly long. So if you keep your loops or your straps shorter than this, maybe you'd opt for two reds. So let's go ahead and get started. I am going to move my microphone around just a bit. Now I'm going to lay all the way down here like this. My foot bar is down. Now, to be honest with you, a lot of times in class I will have my foot bar up. It's just more comfortable for clients to rest their feet on the foot bar than to bring them all the way down. So I extend my legs all the way down. Now, right away, you will notice that I have a lot of sway in my low back. So when I teach this a lot, having the foot bar up, it does help prop people's legs up a little bit, and it eliminates this issue right here. But I'm going to deal with it today because I can do it. All right, so now my fingertips are right over my shoulders. I'm going to connect under the shoulders. The carriage is already opened about an inch so that I can find the connection under the shoulders. Also, I want the connections right here. I don't want my ribs open. To eliminate this space between my low back, I have to knit those ribs together. I'm not pressing the low back down. Instead, I'm connecting right there in my core, which is going to protect my low back. So on my inhale, I'm going to lower my hands to the mat, and my feet are going to come up to the ceiling in the same breath. So I inhale, lower, and lift. Now exhale, I'm going to press into the backs of my hands as I come up and over. My legs are just parallel with the ground. I don't let them go any lower. Now I'm going to inhale, reach my toes up to the ceiling. Now maintaining that lift, I'm going to keep my thighs squeezed together. As I exhale, slowly come down one vertebrae at a time. Once my butt hits, I continue lowering my legs and I reset my arms, staying connected in those ribs and the lats. And again, inhale, lower as my feet lift. I'm going to scoop the abdominals as I come up and over to parallel. Then I inhale, reach the toes up. Now maintaining this lift, keep my thighs squeezing together. I'm going to exhale, slowly come down one vertebrae at a time. Now some people are going to be completely vertical. That's awesome, but that's not always realistic. Let's do it one more time. This time I'm just going to breathe. When I was just breathing and not talking, I was actually able to get a little bit higher to vertical because my breath was helping me move. My breath was giving me strength. So it just proves that the breath work does work. So if you shut up and stop talking like I'm doing, you're going to do much better.